It is May 18th, 2020. This is my daily recap video. Today I took one trade on Disney, DIS, and I'm calling it a scalp slash chase slash pre-opening range breakout. So as you may tell from that description, I am not really proud of this trade. It was not very good. I was frustrated today after I closed out the position because I know it was not a good trade. What I saw here was this first on Disney was in the list today, so it was in play today, so that's good, of course. And it's a higher price stock and it moves more, and I knew that, but I wanted to watch because I've traded it before successfully and unsuccessfully, of course. But anyways, so this first candlestick is a spinning top, I believe is what they call it in the indecision. So not much to go by there. But then there was this candlestick, really solid green candlestick, and it moved, you know, almost 75 cents in total, about 68 cents. But solid candlestick, right? And then this, another, a smaller top, and I think it was at this point here I was thinking about getting in, right around here, 115.61, but I just wasn't sure, and it's just, I know it's just a high price stock, and it just, I know it moves a lot too, so I was kind of chickening out, and the real-time price action wasn't the like I couldn't read it too well. I mean, it did seem bullish still, but I wasn't sure, and there's nothing on level two. But it's it's above all these lines, these moving averages and stuff, and the pre-market highs. So I mean, that's always a good sign. So that's a sign of strength. So then this happened. I was, still thinking about getting it in right here, 115.69 70-ish, when this candlestick started forming. But I didn't. I was hesitant. The real-time price action again wasn't the greatest. I mean, it seemed bullish still, but I couldn't bring myself to do it. And and then it went up and it went up, and I'm thinking by this time it's just too late. It's so far from everything. I just didn't want to get in, but it was killing me. It just looked like it wanted to keep moving up. So I just kind of impulsively got in. At least I got in with 36 shares, so a very small amount of shares. And it did go up a little bit. It came down a little bit. It went up a little bit, and then next candlestick, it just I just was kind of like freaking out. So I took some off, and then it um, didn't it was kind of hesitating that, so I took some more off, and then it did move up some more. I took some more off, and then it moved up some more. I took some more off. So basically, I want I think when I said I impulsively got in, it was impulsive, but I also was in the mindset of, okay, well, I'll just make this a scalp. I'll just try to get small profit off this real quick, and I'll be done with the trade. Because it's already moved so much and it's so far away from everything. I didn't think it was going to go a whole lot farther, so I wanted to make sure I just took profit, quickly, and not lose any money on it. So that's why I was so aggressive on taking profit here. And then finally, when it got to this point, I just was like, I should just get out. So I just got out completely. That was kind of a dumb. I should have let my last few shares ride, because if you look here, it has been just on a tear pretty much, on the 1 minute chart. It did consolidate for a while here, but if you look, it has just been, I mean, up until, these candlesticks, it just went up. It went up all the way to 119.50, 61 it looks like. So quite the move this morning. So I missed out on all that. If I would have got in earlier, I could have, had a huge, huge, huge win here with huge, huge, huge profits, obviously. But I didn't. I just scalped it, and I made $8.50. So that was a bummer. I mean, not that that's a bummer itself. Just how I traded it. I'm not happy with myself. It wasn't a good trade. It was a risky scalp kind of basically. So I don't know. It just wasn't good. I don't know. I don't know. But at least I'm green, I guess, right?